In this video, you will understand how CCS presents high-quality supplemental tasks that can be used in conjunction with a mathematics curriculum. Quality tasks are equally well suited for instruction and formative assessment. They can provide teachers with information about students' proficiency with key content standards and mathematical practices. In addition to aligning mathematical practices and content-based Common Core state standards, the tasks are rated using a rubric that was collaboratively developed as part of the Inquiry Hub project that engaged Teacher Advisory Board and district personnel in the process. The tasks we will be looking at in this video are aligned to support the key concepts and lessons in a high school Algebra 1 course. Let's go to the Proportional Reasoning Unit, Lesson 2.1, and take a closer look at some tasks. Within Tasks and Resources for this lesson, we can see that there are two tasks available to support the lesson on proportions: leaky faucet and yogurt. This link opens the lesson in a new browser window or tab and can be printed. In some cases, there is a link to the original site from which the task was selected. Let's take a look at the leaky faucet task. Besides the task itself, this document includes a scoring rubric and examples of student work. High-quality tasks like these demand that students do the heavy lifting of figuring out how to solve problems and require students to justify their solutions. Teachers can use tasks such as this one to elicit students' ideas at the beginning of a lesson sequence or to check understanding at the end of a sequence. Now let's go back and take a look at how this task was rated. The rubric includes ratings along 4 dimensions: cognitive demand, task language, options for expressing understanding, and technology. A bar graph for each dimension provides a quick sense of how the raters assessed the leaky faucet task. The rating in each dimension that received the most votes by the raters is given. For example, for cognitive demand, most raters felt the task best met the rubric rating named Procedures with Connections. A flyout displays the distribution of rating data for each dimension for this task, as well as the different rating options and their definitions. The complete task rating rubric document is available here to provide information about all of the rubric dimensions and rating options. Mathematical practices and Common Core state standards alignments to this task are available here. As with any resource in the CCS, you can save this task to the My Stuff area and then use it in a playlist or lesson plan of your creation. These features are explained in more detail in other videos.